Okay, I just want to do a quick little tutorial on how to add a new product for your WooCommerce WordPress product at the product level. So here we have a ballroom dance class, and we can do $125 for 8 classes for couples, or you can do $20 per class. $65 for individuals, 8 classes, or $10 per class for individuals. But we need to add a new variation that's going to be $65 for 4 classes for couples. And also while I'm there, I want to make it a little bit easier, because in order to see the price right now, we have to select a new, we have to make a new selection in order to see the price. I want to have the price written in here, so we'll go ahead and take care of that too. You just click Edit Product, and I have it open on another window already. Also, I should note that this was set, we wanted to set this as a stock quantity of 15 because there's 15 slots available. So to do that, you had to check this box and be sure to enter an actual number here. If you don't, then it will only allow stock for, it'll only let you choose whatever the first option is. The other options wouldn't be available. So be sure, if you check this, to actually put a stock number in. Also, the other option would be to leave this blank, and then at the variation level you could put in a stock quantity for each variation. So let's say you wanted to have, well, we want to allow more individuals and less couples and so on. You could tweak that by changing the stock quantities for each one. But in this case, we're just going to leave it 15 total. And then I'll let Arts Fulcher decide what they want to do at the variation level. Anyways, so let's go ahead and first we're going to go to attributes, and right now you'd see it says choice. If we go back to this page, that's where it says choice right here, so we could change that to anything we wanted. I'm going to drop this down, and right now these are our options, and then we've selected used for variations. Alright, so you have to do it just like this. So I'm going to do, let's see, couples is 125. So I'm just going to say, I'm trying to decide if I want to put it at the beginning or at the end. I think I'll put it at the beginning. $125. Ooh, $1,200, that would be terrible. I'll do colon, 125 colon couples, 8 classes, and then per class was $20. Couples per, there's probably a better way to word this, but I'll let Arts Fulcher decide. Individuals, 8 classes, maybe 65. And I remember this one was $10 individuals per class. Now we want to add another one right here. And we actually don't need these spaces after each one. I know it makes it a little easier to see the difference between each variation, but it's just extra space on the drop-down menu. Alright, so we have 125 couples, 8 classes, and then I want to add 65 couples, 4 classes. I'm going to be sure to add that bar right there. That's the one that it's a above the backslash button over the return key when you hold down shift. Can't remember what that's called right now, but I just call it a bar. So you add that, another bar, and that's going to add another variation. Need to save those attributes. Now I go to the variation level. We changed the names earlier, so we have to change these. So this one was the 125. This one is 20. I'm just looking right here. This one was the 65 for individuals, 8 classes, and this one was the $10 individual class. And then we're going to add another variation. This one is going to be 65 for 4 classes. Regular price, 65. It's a virtual. And that should do it, but I'm going to drag it up here. I can't remember offhand if this actually makes a difference, but I like to keep it in the same order that I did it under attributes. So, we have 8 classes, 4 classes, couples, I'm just double checking, couples, individuals, everything's enabled, everything's virtual, none of the stops are specified, that's good, that leaves it at 15 like we said earlier. And now we can hit update. Oh, I just see something. This little section up here, it's a little misleading. This section up here is actually on this page, it's the part that's down here where it says description. And then the part down here where it says product short description, that's actually the part that's on the top up here. Now this, the top part, the short description we got from the flyer, but the product description is where we add little fine details. And so I actually want to, because we're adding this new option, I'll specify that now. So we're doing 65 for 4 classes or $20 a class. That's correct. I'll hit update again. And then we will see everything work. Test it out. Refresh. Alright, beautiful, beautiful. Good. Choose an option. We're going to do, alright, 8 classes. Couples 4 classes. Beautiful. It's like everything works wonderfully. Back to the default. And you can change what the default is. Right now we have the default set as choose an option, which I kind of like. I'm a little partial to that. But you can, under variations at the bottom, see this is default selection, we can change that to one of the other options. But at this point, that one is ready to go. Hope you found this helpful.